This is the Breaking Bad Blu-ray Money Barrel Complete Series Collector's Edition. Bitch. So I got myself this Collector's Edition Money Barrel of Breaking Bad, possibly the greatest show ever. And I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys it. Before I do that though, I just wanna show off this Heisenberg that I got. This is not part of the Collector's Edition. I just got him separate. He's a keychain, and he'll just be hanging around for this unboxing video.
Say my name.
You're Heisenberg.
You're goddamn right. So as you can see here, the money barrel comes in this nice round plastic cylinder. Science, bitch!
So it comes in this plastic cylinder that I'm gonna open up here. There's an extra piece. Whoa! So there's an extra plastic piece that comes out, and this is actually just a piece of paper. So this is what's on the paper, and then this is the front. On the back, it's just green, and it just stays like a cylinder inside the plastic. But we have inside here. Whoa. So here we have this round money barrel. Nice plastic. Here's the bottom of the barrel. And the top has a nice glossy top. Kind of just wiggle the top a bit and then it should come off. And what's inside is money! Actually, it's just a piece of cardboard. Are some matches, a coin, and what is this? Yeah, so we got two identical cash monies. So let's see what's inside this bag of matches. Is a Better Call Saul matchbox. Open it up. Here it says Better Call Saul, and it's not actual real matches. It's actually a USB stick. Look at that. It's a secret USB stick with some extra content on it. Comes with this piece of paper that says 4 GB USB flash drive, and on the other side it has an exclusive code, Better Call Saul, attorney at law. The other item we get is this coin. It has some Spanish writing around the edges. It says Yo soy el peligro, and on the other side it's the Breaking Bad logo with bromine and barium, BR and BA, and it says 2007 to 2013. It kind of feels like metal. I think it's some sort of cheap metal. And then we have this weird cloth cylinder. It is very jam-packed. So I'm gonna try to open this up. Whoa. Ah. Oh my. So it's a Los Palos Hermanos. What do you call it? Like bib? It's basically the uniform that the employees wear that serve chicken, not blue chicken. It is extremely wrinkled because it got really jam-packed. Oh yeah. You're gonna have to iron this. It has some pockets at the bottom. I'm just gonna wear it over my head. Yeah, so I'm gonna figure out how to pack that back in here after. Oh, so it looks like on the back of this lid as well has this bonus disc. Ah, it's a bonus CD. I'm pretty sure these are the coordinates in the final season where Walt buries his money underground in these barrels here. That would make sense. Now it looks like it's reversed. I'm gonna reverse the image here so you can see the numbers. 34, 59, 20, 106, 36, 52. This disc is hidden at the bottom of the lid. In the front here, there's a door. Woo! Look at that. And there's a booklet over here. A small booklet. All the discs for each season. They're made to look like petri dishes. And here is the sheet to give you the codes for the digital copy. And it gives you this booklet here. I'll flip through the booklet after the discs. Ooh. So this is the way the discs are stored. So there's magnets. There's 3 magnets on this dish to hold the layers together. you take off the first layer, and the disc is just on the inside. So this is disc 1, episodes 1 to 4 of the first season. And then you can see here is a second layer of the dish. So this is disc 2. Now it looks like if you put all the dishes together, it makes a picture. So this is the picture it makes when you put all the petri dishes of the first season together without the discs on the inside. I believe it's supposed to be his shirt that the show starts off with in the pilot episode. Now these magnets are designed in a way where if you put them backwards, it actually repels each other, so it does not stick, which means you can only put it in the correct way. Put it back in the top row. So now the second row, by removing the first disc of season 2. Here's the second disc. I think I know what this is. Yep. And so this is the third disc of season 2. So I'll start putting together. It's that goddamn pink teddy bear we see at the beginning of almost every single episode from season 2. And then we finally find out what it is in the very last episode. That dang pink bear missing an eyeball. Now these petri dishes are not made out of glass. It's just hard, clear acrylic plastic. So it actually has lots of scratches on it already from me just handling them here like this. Take a look at season 3. So here's the first disc of season 3. I think you're gonna start to see what this final picture is. Disc 2. And the final disc of season 3. Well. What do you think we have here?
It's Heisenberg.
Now I just want to confirm, so I randomly have just the third season on Blu-ray in a separate case here, and the discs are actually different. Now I do want to mention that handling the discs in these petri dishes is very delicate. I don't know if you can tell, but it's actually pretty difficult to handle these dishes. So here we have a giant explosion fireball. That was the first disc. Here's the second disc. And here's the final third disc. When you put all the dishes together, do you know what that is?
Ding 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 ding.
It's that old Cortel geezer, Hector. Whoa! The final season, part 1, which is season 5. Ooh, that's pretty freaky. We have a tarantula. Here's the first disc. And here's the second disc. So putting all these petri dishes together creates a tarantula. There's only one scene that shows a tarantula. If you don't remember, it has something to do at the end of the train scene. So that's the tarantula on the petri dishes for season 5, part 1. And now we're on the final set of petri dishes. Season 5, part 2, the final season. You can already tell that this is a set of car keys. And in the very last episode of the season, you will understand why these car keys are important and what it represents. So here's disc 1 of the final season. And here's disc 2. And with all the petri dishes put together, that's the final set of petri dishes to represent the final season. So you can see numbers here telling you what season fits into what slot. So here we have a letter to Breaking Bad fans from Vince Gilligan, the mastermind behind Breaking Bad. And here we have episode synopsis of season 1. And then here's season 2. So each page just represents each season, showing you a nice picture that represents the season, the names of the episodes, and a quick description of what happens in the episode. Season 5. And then the final season, Remember My Name. The booklet is nicely curved to fit into the curved dome and closes in. So that's pretty much everything that comes in the set. The only thing left we have to check out is this USB matchbox from Saul Goodman. Let's see what secret mission Saul has out for us. It better not be some more cheesy Better Call Saul ads. So when you plug in the Matchbox USB stick, the drive pops up as contents, and there's just an images folder that contains images that looks like it's gonna be linked to some website. So when you click here, which is where they want you to click, it opens up the images in a web page and it says click here, and then this links you to a Sony website. And just like everything that connects to the internet nowadays, it will eventually be gone. So it looks like whatever this linked to no longer exists. I believe it disappeared in 2015. So upon searching, apparently the link will just lead you to some sneak peek video of the Better Call Saul TV series. So there's nothing special really in this USB stick. Something I just realized, the artwork on the Blu-ray discs is actually supposed to represent the background of the image on the Petri dishes. So you can see here for season 1, the image on the CD is the background of a desert, which is shown at the beginning of the first episode. The season 2 discs have a pool, which is the background for the bear floating in the pool. The background for season 3 is a sheet of paper, which is where the picture of Heisenberg is drawn on. The background for season 4 is fire, which represents something to do with that bell. The background for the 5th season is a bottle, which is supposed to be the bottle that the tarantula is captured in. And the background for the final season is a pool table, which is where the keys are placed on. So I gotta give some credit to whoever designed this, because that is a pretty cool design. One last thing I thought I would show you guys is the menus for a lot of these Blu-ray discs. There are a lot of bonus features included in this set. There are a lot of behind the scenes and cast and crew videos for basically every single episode. There are a ton of deleted scenes, extended scenes, outtakes, gag reels, and bloopers. There's an exclusive boobies scene, where these titties aren't actually censored out. And there's an alternate ending. What? An alternate ending? What could this be? It's actually just a joke ending of Bryan Cranston's Malcolm in the Middle days. It's not actually a real alternate ending. Sorry to burst that bubble. So there you have my unboxing of this great Breaking Bad collector's set of Blu-rays in this crazy yet very nice, elegant money barrel. So I hope you liked this video. Don't be afraid to leave a comment, ask me any questions, I'll be glad to answer. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Comment, like, and subscribe. Do it. You better do it. I am the danger. I'm the one who knocks.